Today we're unboxing the Sony a6700. Now the version that I got is the kit with the 18 to 105 millimeter zoom lens. Right, so let's dive in. Right, so first, alright, so what we have here is some, here we go, just some paperwork. Right, so to the left or right of it, depending on how you're looking, we have the Sony 18 to 135 lens. We have the autofocus and manual focus switch. So that's the lens, and here we have the camera. So okay, that's that. We also have here the battery, included battery. Okay, the little cover to go over the viewfinder. This one just slips down just like that. And we also have the camera band. Right, that's all that comes in the box.